If you have mature skin like I do and you have problems with fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, occasional puffiness, how would you like a super affordable, super effective eye mask that took care of all of that and you can do it yourself? How are you today? If you're new here, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40, women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. We're talking about anti-aging eye masks. And I want to start out by saying, if you like something that is one and done, you don't have to do it yourself. These are the eye masks that I've used for quite a while and I absolutely love them. My only issue is that I don't like having to re-buy something. To buy something over and over and over, I use them, I have to throw them away, I have to start over the next time. Does that make sense? But if the eye mask that I'm going to share with you today that you can make yourself, if that's not your jam, I get it. These are fantastic. And I will leave them down in the description below. These are from Dermatology. These are the brightening eye masks, and I love them. They are so good for everything that we're talking about. Anti-aging, dark circles, fine lines, depuffing, everything. So if you want it already done for you, these are the way to go. If you want something that's super effective, super affordable that you can do yourself, that's what I have for you next. When I first saw these eye masks and I read about them and I thought, that is genius. These eye masks, here's the secret about them. There is absolutely nothing on them. Nothing on them. And I'm going to apologize in advance for all my farm animals. They're very loud today. All of my animals today are very loud. I'm so sorry. These eye masks, there's nothing on them. Zero. They are just little masks that what you do is you use them with whatever eye serum you use, you love, you swear by, and these masks just 10x the effectiveness of the current eye serum you're already using. I'm 55, so clearly I have dark circles, fine lines, crow's feet, all the things. I need to depuff, all of the things. And I have a secret for you about that also. So I've tried a lot of eye creams, a lot of eye serums, but recently I have seen a lot of buzz about snail mucin or snail peptides. You need to read about it. So fascinating. And I wanted to try a product that did contain snail mucin, and I found this one. I think the company is called Cosrx. And it's a Korean skincare company. And I am loving this eye serum so much. Really and truly fantastic. It's only $25 and I'm using it morning and night. So this was perfect to pair with my do-it-yourself eye masks. I will link everything that I'm using down in the description below this video. So you've got your eye cream, whichever one that you're currently loving, and I'm going to link that one that I just showed you with the snail peptides down in the description below. Loving it. $25, I'm telling you, it's fantastic. You order this little tin, you're going to get this little clear plastic little card that contains your eye masks. It also comes with a little spatula. First thing you're going to do is just get you a little bit of your eye serum. Pat it all the way around your eye, both eyes. I always use the leftover on my hand. Take your eye masks, they're marked left and right. Put them on. You can take the little tool that they give you, and you can either use this to put the mask on, or before you put the mask on, kind of get that eye serum really going. And leave this on for 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes right before you go to bed. And it just 10x's the effectiveness of your eye serum. It really gets everything in there so that it can really get working. You're not getting it all over your clothes, your pillow, whatever. So I put this on right before I go to bed while I'm just kind of winding down. I just let this sit on here for 15 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. After whatever amount of time you're going to leave this on, take the masks off, tap in whatever you have left of your eye serum, and you're done. And you just go to bed. I'm telling you, you do this 2 to 3 times a week, you are going to be amazed at how much more plump, how much more youthful your under eyes are going to be. Even if you don't use this, like I said, if you have a serum that you're just like, oh my gosh, I love this. But you know, we all have those days. We're just like, wow, I look rough. That's when I get these eye masks out. So let me tell you something about these eye masks. And then, as if this wasn't good enough, I'm going to share just a little secret that you probably already know, but I'm going to remind you to make these eye masks, this serum, even better. The little tool that they send you is very, very effective for cooling. So if you need to really get this in, get it to start working right away, but maybe you're a little puffy and you want to just cool down that under eye area, that's what this is for. You can use this end. If you're using a different type of moisturizer eye serum that you need to scoop out or put your fingers in, sometimes there's bacteria, so that's really good for that. You could use that as a spatula. But when you're done with this, when you're done with the eye masks, remember there's nothing on these, so you want to wash these. Take a very gentle foaming cleanser, wash these off really well, dry these. The little card, the little clear little plastic card, you want to wash and dry this. Put your eye masks back on here, and then just put it and the little tool back in the little tin that they give you, and keep it in there. Just keeps it all handy. Now, if you want to use your eye masks in the morning, you want your eye serum and or your masks to work a little bit harder for you. What I do is I buy an extra eye serum. Okay, so this one's only 25 bucks. I keep this with my regular morning routine, my regular serums and things like that. So I can just grab it, put it on, I can go to bed, I'm done. In the morning, I just want to go ahead and prep my skin before makeup. I can tap this on and I'm done. But you know, you wake up those mornings, sometimes you're just a little puffy, you just need a little bit more help. My extra one I can take out of the refrigerator. I don't keep my regular one in the refrigerator because I'll forget about it. At that menopause brain, every now and again when I look and go, wow, I need a little help, I get it out of the refrigerator, it's already cooling. And as soon as I put it on, it starts depuffing. It starts working even faster. Then I put my masks on, leave it sit on for a few extra minutes, maybe while I'm brushing my teeth, I'm picking out my clothes. I can take the mask off. Again, tap all that extra product in before you put makeup on, and it's working even better, even faster, just to really start that depuffing, helping with the dark circles before you get ready in the morning. I love that. So if you can get an extra eye serum, get an extra eye serum and just keep it in the refrigerator for those days when you just need a little bit more help. If you want more anti-aging, affordable skincare, watch this video here. If you love the idea of a brightening anti-aging eye mask and you want it one and done, it's already done for you, try these. If you like a particular anti-aging eye serum, one that you're already in love with and works well, but you want to 10x it, use the eye serum you love with these do-it-yourself eye masks. Genius. I love this idea. If this is helpful, I hope you'll like this video, share it with a sweet friend, and come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I will see you in the next video.